So there are many ways one can achieve a full screen display. Xiaomi's third generation design has got gaps in display subpixel, which allows the selfie shooter to capture light, and this along with you seeing a full screen panel. Xiaomi is also testing a rotating in-display camera which can show display and after rotation can shoot selfies. Samsung is following similar approach, and OnePlus is working on a design to fix a tiny camera on top bezel like earpiece, which is a perfect solution. Now what Google as per latest patent doing is they are using a sub display on center which you can say got some gaps in subpixel to allow light. Yeah, this is same like Xiaomi, Oppo and ZTE. What's shocking is they are using a prism beneath this sub display. So it is not like what Xiaomi did. Xiaomi got camera below the sub display and Google got a prism below the sub display. This is an advanced solution for no glitch, no patch on top of the display. So now the question is how it is gonna work and how it is better than Xiaomi's approach. So that prism is gonna reflect a second display which is gonna show similar content and colors you are watching on your phone. And this will allow the sub display gap to show same colors and same content. This means you won't see any black patch or something which is visible in Xiaomi's third generation display. The prism rotates when you want to shoot selfies. You can see in this documentation found by Let's Go Digital. After rotation it allows the lens to capture light and high quality photos. So nice solution, I would say. We may see this really soon. Xiaomi is about to showcase this design with the Mi Mix Fold launching this year, and so is Samsung with the Fold 3. So no shocker, next year we'll see this design making its way to more brands. Some news coming in on the Pixel 6 Pro. This is a live image of Pixel 6 Pro camera setup courtesy Mayur, and you can see there is a periscope lens with spectral sensor and a microphone near flash. So again, as I said a few days back, there are a total of 5 units. Main, super wide, periscope, a supporting sensor which is spectral / flicker, and finally a flash with microphone on top. Some sources are saying the main sensor is the IMX800 which is not announced yet. So if that is true, it is surely gonna be an epic camera smartphone of this year. Google may also showcase Pixel 6 design at Google I/O seen in the Android 12 promo video, a center punch hole and slight curved display. So what do you guys think about the Pixel lineup? Are you getting the Pixel 6 late this year, or you'll wait for an ultra pixel with in-display camera and more advanced features? Your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.